In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect audio in Zoom. Once you're in your Zoom meeting, look at the bottom left corner of the Zoom window. You'll see a button labeled Join Audio. Click that button to connect your microphone and speakers to the meeting. Once your audio is connected, other participants will be able to hear you, and you'll be able to hear them. After you've joined the audio, look at the same area in the bottom left corner. The Join Audio button will change to mute or unmute. This lets you confirm that your audio is connected and ready to use during the meeting. If you don't see the toolbar right away, simply move your mouse if you're using a computer, or tap your screen if you're on a mobile device. The toolbar will appear, and you'll be able to access the Join Audio button. That's all you need to do to connect your audio during the meeting. Just click Join Audio, and you're ready to participate. If you'd like to check your microphone and speakers before entering the meeting, you can test your audio from the preview screen that appears before you join. On that screen, select the option to test your audio. The test will first check your speakers. You'll usually hear a short test tone. If you can hear the sound, continue to the next part of the test. Next, you'll be asked to test your microphone. Say a few words at a comfortable speaking level, so Zoom can confirm that your microphone is picking up your voice correctly. Once both checks are complete and everything looks and sounds right, click Join to enter the meeting. You'll join with your audio already connected and ready to use. If you're using headphones or an external microphone, make sure they're plugged into your device before you join the meeting. Also, make sure they're selected on your device before continuing. It's also a good idea to check your system volume before joining. Make sure your computer's speakers aren't muted and that the volume is set to a level where you can clearly hear other participants. When you're testing your microphone, speak at a comfortable distance. If you're in a very quiet environment, speaking a little closer to the microphone can help. If you're in a noisy environment, reducing background noise can make your voice come through more clearly during the meeting. These quick checks only take a moment and can help make sure your audio is working before the meeting begins. To recap, if you're already in the meeting, click Join Audio in the bottom left corner of the Zoom window. If you prefer to check everything first, use the Test Audio option on the preview screen. Confirm that your speakers and microphone are working. Then click Join when you're satisfied with the results. That's all it takes to connect your audio in Zoom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.